Hey, what's up, guys? Thought I'd give you guys an update. Since everything's off my car now, I'm at the 50% mark. Basically, it's all downhill from here. I just have to put it back together. So I've decided to do a quick update for you guys. I'm gonna probably add this to a bigger video because there's probably not gonna be very much going on for the next few weeks with my car. So I did drop off my valve covers and timing cover to be powder coated. I chose ruby red. I think that's the best color since it's the color of the car. I think it'll look good. So I haven't seen too many S550s with painted valve covers and timing covers. I could be wrong, but I've been to dozens and hundreds of car shows and never seen anything around here. And when I was at Mustang Week, I mean, I saw thousands of Mustangs. Now, granted, the old Fox bodies had it done, and granted, some of the older, like, 60s models had some of it, but I haven't seen too many Mustangs in the current era with it done, so I think that's kind of a cool feature. So I took it to a place called Denco Powder Coating. I'll put a link down in the description for these guys, and I'll have a little thing on the website. Yeah, this guy is dirt cheap. I had a few quotes from other places in St. Louis. I won't name names, but after getting a bunch of quotes and seeing everyone's work, they were all professionally good, but this guy had the prices beat by a few $100. So I like to thank my friend Barclays for kind of pointing me out to this place, because I would have never known about it because it's kind of a little hole in the wall place. But yeah, the guy gave me an awesome price, so hopefully the next 2 weeks I have it done. Take this thing out, it's fucking choking me. And we go from there. In other news, I did order the 10 rib kit. It's on its way. So that'll be going in the car. I'm going to start off with the 4.0 pulley. Per Whipple, this will bring me to 15 pounds of boost. My car on 20 pounds made, well over $1,000. So let's see what this will bring. On 15 pounds of boost, my car made 940 something. So I'm expecting the same, but I think my torque was like not even 800. It was like 770 or 780, something like that. It was really low. So hopefully with the 20 pound pulley, or the 15 pound pulley with the 20% lower, hopefully we see some gains in torque. We won't know that for probably sometime in January, maybe later. We'll figure that out. Sorry, hands getting a little tired. So we will figure that out. But besides that, that's really all I've got for you guys. I'm still looking for bolts and pieces. I decided, since I'm doing these valve covers and all, I'm using all new hardware. So I ordered new gaskets, new sealant, and bolts and nuts, anything that needs to be done. Trying to make it look nice. I'm looking for a place that I can refurb my alternator. My alternator is good. I would just like to clean it up. If you guys know any places that can do this, especially if they're local in St. Louis, that I can take it to and they can, I don't know, tear it apart and sandblast it and whatever they do to make it look brand new, that'd be great. I really don't want to spend $350 on an alternator that I just don't need. I might end up doing that, I'll have to see. I don't plan to put this thing back together for sometime in January, to be honest. I don't think that Whipple has this kit laying around. And even if they did, I mean, I'm waiting 2 to 3 weeks for the powder coating, because he said, usually takes 2 weeks, but with the holidays next week, I think, because today is the 15th, I think, right? And isn't Turkey Day next week? I don't expect to have this back until after Thanksgiving, but that's where I am, guys. So the Mustang is torn down to where I needed it torn down to. I only broke one thing, and that was the dipstick for the oil thing. Now we're uphill from here, so I'll send you guys more updates as we go, but that's pretty much what I got going on. If you got any questions or anything like that, let me know down, and we'll go from there, guys. Pleasure talking to you guys. Hope you guys